Hi there. Today more about what facilitates spiritual awakening and how to connect inwards with ease and safely without fear or major disturbances or shocks, distress that comes out of being completely unprepared for a totally different experience than what we are used to. Just at least most of us, we're used to this experience that is processed through the thoughts, a lifetime after lifetime after lifetime. And once we are faced with the direct experience that is not processed through the thoughts, it's just absolutely shocking. It's something completely out of this world that can shake us. And we can lose our ground for a while. We can get gripped by fear and distress, not wanting to go there anymore, fearing it. So it's good that we are prepared, that we prepare the ground, which is ourselves, for spiritual awakening, for connecting with what is inside. Because you see, before spiritual awakening, we're completely turned outwards and connecting through the thoughts and mental sort of processes and feelings, like feelings and emotions and mental states and stuff like that. But once we sort of are faced directly with the existence as is, and all this is completely stripped away, it is so different, so shocking, so something that unexpected, that we're completely not used to. So we need to prepare ourselves. We need to prepare ourselves for this transition from one experience to another. And in the previous video, I already spoke at length about a spiritual practice that prepares us for spiritual awakening. And before that, in some other videos, spoke at length about connecting with the silence and stillness inwards, and so on and so on. We need to get ready. We need to practice. We need to change our daily habits. We can also change our environment. But today, I want to talk specifically about two things that are facilitating in a big way transition or spiritual awakening. They are solitude and nature. What I mean by that, let's say solitude is not that we need to live alone, and although we can, and spend most of the time on our own, although we can. It's just that we need some time out on a daily basis, which is very important, regularly. On a daily basis, you are developing new habits. It has to be daily. Where we need to be on our own when we are starting out, so that we can completely focus inwards, so that we can completely dedicate ourselves to the practice and focusing inwards, especially at the start when we need to be really aware of mental processes going on, policing the thoughts and stuff like that. We really need to be on our own and focused 100%. With time, when we are going deeper and deeper and connecting more and more with pure existence inwards, that is not that important anymore. We can be with other people, we can do all sorts of things and still being connected with the pure existence, still being turned inwards to a certain extent. But in the early stages, the solitude is very important, and also the nature. The effect of the nature on a spiritual awakening is not to be underestimated. The environment with the natural sounds, natural light, colors, natural colors, tastes and smells and textures is very soothing, very welcoming. Quieting down the body, quieting down all the mental processes, helping in a big way with detaching from the thoughts, with feeling completely at ease. Because when we feel completely at ease, then we can focus totally on connecting inwards, on going deeper and deeper. All the environment is sort of helping us. Everything is quieting down. Everything is soothing. Everything is welcoming. The same as spiritual awakening itself. It is supposed to be welcoming. It's supposed to be homecoming. It's supposed to be a natural way of being. So there are no needs. There is no need for major shocks, fear, disturbances, distress. We just need to get ready. We just need to prepare ourselves. We need to prepare the ground. We need to surround ourselves with the circumstances that help us and that ease us into spiritual awakening, into this transitioning from one experience to another, from the experience we are being used to for lifetimes to a completely different, so shockingly different type of experience when we are connecting directly. Although that is original experience, that is the source of everything else. And as you will experience yourself, as you go deeper and deeper, everything is there. All the mental images, everything is there. All originates from the inside. Inside is the source, not the outside. Outside is just a processed sort of experience of existence. But it's all coming from the inside. And when we used to think, or maybe we still think a little bit, that it's just a black, meaningless hole, nothing, when we close our eyes, we will realize with the transition that, we were so wrong. Everything is there. It's alive. It's vibrant. It's all-knowing. It's eternal. Everything is there. So make sure that you are transitioning safely, that you are transitioning with ease and peace, without any major disturbances, without any setbacks like fear, anxiety, distress, without major mental upheavals, just naturally easing, getting ready, prepare yourself, practice, turn inwards, slowly, gradually, daily. It's a habit. Develop this new habit and everything will go smoothly. And then it's just pulling you in more and more and more. And you realize how all this outside world on a surface level is really almost meaningless compared to what is inside. That's where it all happens. That's where it all comes from. That's where it all originates. And everything is there. Everything. Take care. Thank you.